Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up Coinbase. First off, click sign up. Then enter the details that will tell you. So enter your first name, last name, email, and choose a password. Once you fill that in, click I'm not a robot. Then click I certify that I am 18 years of age or older, and I agree to user agreement and privacy policy. Then click create account. Then it will say verify your email. So you need to go to your Gmail and verify it. When you have got the email, you need to scroll down and click this button. Then it will say your email has now been verified. So we are going to end the video right here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Go to the Coins website to find more information about Bitcoin.